If you watch my previous videos, you know that I'm not that excited about gear, the big gear, like my Canon R5C, but I'm very excited over these small gadgets that you can find. And now it happened again. I found another thing that's very, very nice, and it's this thing. Battery plate again, sort of. Well, yes, it is. It's from Small Rig. You know, I have this cage on my camera. And why do I have it in a cage, the camera? Well, I use this camera for film productions also. So it's very good to have. See, up here I have the audio, the receiver, and I plug it in here. And this little plate will help me a lot, because when I film with this camera, the battery goes out extremely fast. They just made a new one, produced a new battery for these cameras. What are they called? They are called LP6. Is it LP6? Yes, it's like LPE6. This is one of the newer ones. You can tell if you see, look here. But there's even newer one, if I understood it correctly. They cost like, I don't know, $100 maybe. And they will last a bit longer. I might buy that battery for still photography. You know, I have like 5, 6, so probably I don't need it. But today I will talk about this one, and this is for Sony batteries. What are they called? NPF batteries. This stuff from Sony. This plate is made for the Sony batteries, and I just put in a USB-C cable, short USB-C cable that goes in here to the body, USB-C to USB-C, and it will power the whole camera. And you just put this in like this, click, and then when I turn the camera on, it turns blue. See there? And on this side, if we click on this red button here, we can see how much power we have left in the battery. So this will last for very, very long. And I have another one over there charging exactly the same. So 2 of these will last for a year. No, but it will last very long. And that's absolutely fantastic, I must say. Very nice solution. I mentioned this before about the cage. It's very good also for still photography, because when you're shooting tethered, you can plug in the cable here into, instead of this, the power USB-C, you put this in, the USB-C cable, go into the computer, and then you can lock it, and you have this very nice little key here to tighten it down. Very nice solution from Small Rig. I really like this. Okay, there we are. A short video about me getting excited about a battery plate. I'm not sponsored at all by Small Rig or anything. It's just it's a tip from me to you. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and hit the like button and subscribe, and as always, I will see you next
time.